You were in an accident and now you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit here in the state of New York. And you've heard about something called non-economic damages and you're trying to learn more about it. Well, join me as I share with you what is non-economic damages. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a personal injury and accident attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. You know, in an accident case, when you bring a lawsuit, you are entitled to receive compensation if you can show that the person you are suing was responsible for causing or contributing to your accident. If you're able to do that, then they will be responsible to pay for your injuries. Now, what type of damages are available? Well, there are things known as economic damages, and there are things known as non-economic damages. Now, just to give you a brief overview, economic damages are actual hard costs that we can actually calculate. And we know, let's say, like past medical expenses, and future medical expenses, and lost earnings. But there are things that we can't calculate that don't have a hard and definite number. Non-economic damages include something known as pain and suffering. Now, you may think you know what pain and suffering is, but let me share with you and tell you exactly what it is. Pain and suffering is the suffering that you have endured as a result of someone else's carelessness, as a result of their negligence, as a result of their wrongdoing. It's the pain that you endured from the time of the injury all the way up until and including the time of trial, and that could be many years. In addition, it will also include the suffering and the pain that you are expected to endure into the foreseeable future. And that could be many, many years out into the future, depending upon the extent of your injury and whether you need ongoing medical care or maybe even surgery as a result of that. You may be asking yourself, how does a jury determine exactly what is the value of your non-economic damages? I may suggest a number to the jury based upon the evidence, based upon the doctors who have come in to testify, based upon what you are disabled from doing. And then I will ask the jury to look into their own experience and then to look to see what you are able to do and what you're not able to do. And then give them a number. Now, the jury is able to accept that number. They're able to come up with a number that's less than that. And alternatively, they're able to come up with a number that's higher than that. It is up to the jury to ultimately decide, if your case goes all the way to verdict, how much to award to you as compensation. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in understanding the legal process here in an accident case in New York. You know, non-economic damages is just one single component of many different components of damages. And chances are you have questions or concerns of your own about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. I answer questions like yours every single day and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Have a wonderful day.